How should you handle buyer's objections during the sale of your home? I actually never get this question, but there's a good reason why. When speaking to sellers that tried to sell their home in the past, they always explain, I don't know why my home didn't sell. The reason they don't know is because there was no system for handling objections by their agent. So this is critical, because if you don't know the buyer's objections, how can you solve the problems of getting your home sold? The first step to handling an objection is to be proactive. And let's figure out all the possible objections. How can you possibly have a pre-thought out, clear response to an objection if you've not put some thought into it? So let's make a list of everything that you as the homeowner would change if you had a magic wand. Chances are, if you want something different, so would they. Once you have a completed list, we can put together a script for every potential objection. In some cases, we can get bids to show how easy and inexpensive it is to correct an issue. We don't want buyers to get scared of something that really should be insignificant. The next step is to get feedback from the buyers and the buyer's agents that are actually showing the home. I can't tell you how difficult this is in reality. Unfortunately, we need to hound the other agents. We need to call them relentlessly in order to get their feedback. We only have 2 questions for them. Does their client want to buy the home? And if not, why not? We need to know what their why not is, because maybe their objection is something we can handle. Additionally, how are you as the seller going to make future decisions about the sale of your home if you don't have the information about why buyers are not buying your home? The final step is you need to make an offer. That's right. There's no rule that buyers are the only ones allowed to make offers. First, you can make an offer to correct something for them. You can make an offer to provide them a credit. You can make them a formal offer to purchase your home at a price taking into consideration their objection. One of the offers that we always make to your buyers is our satisfaction guarantee offer. This is where we explain that the home that we're selling comes with a 24-month satisfaction guarantee. So if them as the buyer is not satisfied with your home for any reason in the first 24 months, we'll eat the commission and we'll resell that home for free for them. So they know we're standing behind the home we're selling. This reduces the risk to the buyer and it costs the seller nothing. So just to recap, you have to work up that list of potential objections and responses. Your agent needs to be relentless in getting the feedback from buyer's agents, even if that means calling them 3 times a day, every day, until you can actually get them on the phone. And finally, you need to make offers. Keep those buyers thinking about your home to ensure that your home will sell. I can help you with all of this. Please request a free home evaluation. You can call me at 530-313-4085 and start packing.